This is the one here. This is our house before, Jim. This is the terrace. When there's a party, this is being used.
Magallanes?
Here. That one. That one.
Oh.
This was Maximo Hall.
Yes.
Parang malaking bahay lang eh. A big house. Of course, you have your house here. Big house. And then there would be customers eating, you know. Auntie Ruby was the one who formulated the recipe.
Yes.
Then Lolo Imo was the, you know, he would entertain his friends. And then Uncle Clar was the head of the, you know, I think he was the head, you know.
So all of them took part.
Yeah, it's really a family restaurant. Ever since, no? That's why there were many wedding events, you know, birthday celebrations in this Max restaurant because they felt it was a family restaurant.
And it shows yung mga old employees would stay on, and even their children would come in and be part of Max. They're very proud that they were able to send their children to school.
Which is true. Most of them, they finished because of Max. Pero talagang makikita mo, employees are considered family. But of course, in a family, not everybody behaves that way. But no matter what, it survived. And kahit na gabi, maraming trabaho, walang nagre-reklamo. Walang nagsasabi, ay off na ako, pinapatrabaho mo pa ako. On their own, they will be there. You don't have to tell them.
Before, we would do it on our own and we didn't know. You've gone a long way, I must say. Congratulations to you. Perseverance and your foresight is where Max's is now.
80 years. Kahit na kung saan pa family ka, mayaman, mahirap, still family. So that is something that we should spread out. Family is important, number one.
You know, the most memorable for me was doing my summer jobs when I was in high school. And that was under the mentorship of my grandmother, Ruby Trota. Seeing her work tirelessly, her passion for food, so that to me was the most memorable.
The success of Max is really driven by the people. There's something that connects us through food and what we're able to build that reaches communities.
I think the third generation, which is my generation, really came into Max's as custodians of a brand that's been there for our parents and for our grandparents. They built this.
Max's is really a family brand, so we always put the customer as the center of everything we do, and we've identified that our customer is really a family.
When you enter a Max's and you see people eating, when you see families getting together, when you hear the noise level rising, that's when you know that this is a very, very vibrant place to be in.
The quality of hosting somebody at your home is special. I think if that is what people attribute the Max's brand to, then fantastic.
My mother at saka father ko, Max's din po sila. And then may two brothers, Max's din po. Max family.
Happy ako kasi lahat naman kami, ang turing namin sa isa't isa, magkakapatid. Mapamatanda man o mapabata. Respeto.
Pamilya, para kung kailangan bigayan o nawaan, ganun lang sir, para maging masaya lang yung takbo ng samahan sir.
Pinopromote talaga yung atmosphere, yung ambience, being in a family. So kaya kami, kahit na wala po kaming sarili naming anak, pagka nasa store po, napakarami naming mga anak na mga makukulit pa. Tapos, yung trust na binigay po nila sa amin, nag-extend pa hanggang dun sa relationship namin. Kaya dun namin ibinabalik.
Mahal na mahal ko itong Max. Hindi ako naghahanap ng ibang trabaho na pupunta ko sa ibang, parang magtrabaho ko sa iba, only here in Max.
They treat me like a family. I love it, yeah. Shestov, I am the ninan of his son, the first son, yeah. With Linda, oh, Linda, she was very good. Linda is not with us anymore. I became their family. They were my family.
Yung values ni Max's, parang kung paano mabubuo ng tama yung isang pamilya. Maraming salamat po kung ano man mo yung narating namin ngayon as family. Masaya ako na naging part ako ni Max's.
Ito ang pamilya ko. It's Max's.
Binigyan nila kami ng pagpapahalagang mga empleyado nila. Diba? Magmula sa maliit pataas. Thank you very much sa lahat ng ama namin.